Hey guys, it's me, DJ Kenzie. What up? I'm here with a vlog, and I'm pretty sure you already heard him, but I'm here with a special somebody. Just hold on one second. Oh, so this is my baby. This is baby Jack. Yeah, baby. This is baby Jack. This is my little baby, Precious. I consider him my baby, but really, he's my sister's. But yeah, because my sister is never home. I pretty much watch him since she's 18. But yeah, this is baby Jack. You want to say hi? Say hi to the camera. Yeah, this is baby Jack. Baby Jack is 5 months old. I'm gonna lay back down. Oh, baby Jack is 5 months old, and his birthday is coming up soon. Yeah, yeah, and really, I just wanted to introduce him. My hair's kind of a mess, but yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you guys later. Peace.